In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name a branch on GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive in. First off, you're going to need to navigate to your repository. This is pretty straightforward. Just head over to the main page of the repository where you want to name your branch. If you've been working on a project, this is usually where all your files and commits are located. Once you're there, look at the left side of your screen. You should see a branch drop-down menu right above your file list. This is the hub where you can manage all your branches. Click on that branch menu. If you're new to GitHub, a branch can be thought of as a way to create a separate line of development in your project, which is great for experimenting or developing features without affecting the main codebase. Now that the branch menu is open, you want to see all the branches you've created. There's usually an option that says something like View All Branches or Switch Branches. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a list of all the branches that are part of your repository. While you're browsing through your branches, take a moment to find the one you want to rename. It can be a bit tricky if you have multiple branches, so keep an eye out for the name you want to change. Once you've found the branch that's calling for a new name, click on it. After you select your branch, just below that, you should see an option to enter a new name. This is where the magic happens. Just type in the new name you've decided on for your branch. Make sure it's meaningful and accurately reflects the purpose or content of the branch, as this will help you and your collaborators understand what each branch is for. And there you have it. Congratulations! You just named a branch in your GitHub repository. The process is really just that simple. As you get more comfortable with GitHub, you'll find that naming branches becomes second nature. Good branch naming helps keep everything organized. It lets your teammates know what to expect from each branch and makes collaboration much smoother. If you run into issues, don't worry. Naming branches on GitHub is a common task, and the interface is designed to help make it as easy as possible. Should you ever need to rename it again or make adjustments, you can go through these steps whenever you like. Thanks for sticking with me through this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to name a branch on GitHub. Don't forget, if you found this useful, consider subscribing and giving the video a like. This way, you can stay updated with more tutorials and tips that can enhance your productivity on GitHub. Happy coding, and I'll see you